Now here we have to solve the equation 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 1 upon x plus 3. So let's get started. So we have 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon x plus 2 equal to 1 upon x plus 3. Now on the left hand side we equalize the denominators. So we just put this in brackets so things become easy. Let us equalize the denominators on the left hand side. So 1 times x plus 2 will give us x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into 1. So that becomes x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 equal to 1 upon x plus 3. Now if we add these terms over here, so we obtain 2x plus 3 divided by, now let us multiply these two brackets. So we obtain x square plus 2x plus x plus 2, and on the right hand side we have 1 upon x plus 3. So the left hand side we finally get 2x plus 3 divided by x square plus 3x plus 2 equal to 1 divided by x plus 3. Now we simply perform the cross multiplication, that is this bracket we multiplied over here, and x square plus 3x plus 2 that gets multiplied on the right hand side. So we perform the cross multiplication and let's see what we get. So on the left hand side we get 2x plus 3 into x plus 3, and on the right hand side it was 1 into x square plus 3x plus 2. Now here again we perform the multiplication of the two brackets. So 2x into x, that becomes 2x square, then 2x into 3 is 6x, then 3 times x becomes 3x plus 3 into 3, that becomes 9, and on the right hand side we have x square plus 3x plus 2. So the next step is we get 2x square, now 6 plus 3, that becomes 9x plus 9 is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2. Now we transfer all these terms onto the left hand side, and finally we get 2x square minus x square plus 9x minus 3x plus 9 minus 2 equal to 0. So finally we get the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we could factorize 7 as, the factors would be 7 and 1. No, but this doesn't work here. Okay, so we can't factorize, we can't split the middle term over here. So what we have to do is we have to use the formula method. Okay, so if we compare with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we obtain a as 1, the value for b as 6, the value for c as 7. So first we obtain the discriminant, that is delta. Now delta is calculated as b square minus 4ac. So that would be 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 7. So the value for delta is 36 minus 28. So the difference is 8. And now we could obtain x by the formula method. So it's minus b plus or minus root of delta divided by 2a. So let us substitute all these values and see what we get. So we have x is equal to minus b. Now b is 6. So minus 6 plus minus root of delta. Delta value was 8 divided by 2a. That is 2 into 1. So we have minus 6 plus minus. Now 8 could be factorized as 4 into 2. And square root of 4 is 2. So this could be written as 2 root 2 divided by 2. Now in the numerator we could take 2 as the common factor. So if we take 2 as the common factor, we are left with minus 3 plus or minus root 2 divided by 2. Now this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled off. So we have x is equal to minus 3 plus minus root 2. So the solution set which we obtain. So we have finally obtained the values for x, and the values are minus 3 plus root 2, and the second value is minus 3 minus root 2. Show that root 2 and minus 2 root 2 are the roots of the equation x square plus root 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So let us consider the first value of x, that is root 2. So at x equal to root 2, let's see whether this satisfies the given equation. So the left hand side is x square plus root 2x minus 4. So x square, so that's root 2 square plus root 2 into x, that is root 2 into root 2 minus 4. Now root 2 square is 2 plus root 2 times root 2 is 2 minus 4. So we have 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0, which is equal to the right hand side. So therefore root 2 is a root of the given equation. Let's check the second value, minus 2 root 2. So we say at x equal to minus 2 root 2, the left hand side is x square, so that's minus 2 root 2 square plus root 2 times x, that is root 2 times minus 2 root 2 minus 4. Now minus 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2, so this is 4 into 2. Now positive into negative, so that's negative. Here we have 2 into root 2 into root 2, so that's 2 minus 4. So 2 root 2 into root 2 is 2 times 2, so that's 4 over here. So we have 8 minus 4 minus 4, so that's 8 minus 8, which is equal to 0, and that is equal to the right hand side. So both these values satisfy. So therefore we could say, therefore root 2 and minus 2 root 2 are the roots of the given equation.